Welcome to another Oration in Action video. The fast-moving consumer goods industry faces a number of significant challenges, including razor-thin profit margins, volatile consumer demands, and intense competition. Keeping customers loyal in this environment requires businesses to deliver exceptional and personalized service. This is often difficult to scale with traditional human-centric support models. Oration is an advanced conversational AI product developed by the Enquiry team, who have over 20 years' experience with speech, biometrics, and contact center operations across a multitude of industry verticals, including government, healthcare, insurance, retail, and more. Oration helps address these issues by automating a high volume of routine inquiries, such as questions about order status or product information, reducing the need for large customer service teams and drastically lowering operational costs. In this video, I will demonstrate Oration's advanced conversational capabilities with use cases suited to organizations in the FMCG industry, and will show how, by blending automation and human expertise, Oration will transform how your customers interact with your organization. Oration's UI has been designed for use by business support staff rather than needing to have technical staff on hand to configure the customer experience. This section will provide an understanding of the mechanisms administrators can use to configure Oration to achieve the desired outcome for each interaction. There are 4 mechanisms which I will elaborate on. 1. The main flow. The main flow provides the LLM with a deterministic framework that must be followed throughout each interaction. It starts with a welcome, then progresses to the actual conversation. Reporting metrics are captured at the end of the conversation, and possible outcomes are defined based on the outcome of the conversation. These outcomes might include ending the call or transferring the caller to the contact center or to the local store or practice. 2. Instructions. Instructions are a set of guardrails and reasoning guidelines, written in plain English, constraining the LLM, ensuring that the conversation aligns with client preferences. Here, administrators can define the logic behind how the LLM converses in every scenario imaginable, providing guidance on everything from the persona traits that the LLM should embody to which tasks it can process and which it cannot process. Typical instruction pages include company information, persona traits, a page defining the tools available to the LLM, a set of general instructions containing important rules, a page for tasks which do and do not require identification, and some product knowledge pages which the LLM can draw on when answering general questions. Three. Subflows, or tools, are deterministic flows which the LLM can call on to complete specific tasks during a conversation. For example, if a caller asks to update their personal information, Oration knows that the caller must go through the identification and verification process before any personal information is discussed or amended. One of the commonly used tools executes the ID and V process and returns the outcome to the LLM so that it can continue the conversation. There are a set of commonly used tools which come deployed with an Oration install. The deflection tool, which can send an SMS to the caller's mobile, or can send an email to a specified email address. This tool is useful when confirming information like an appointment or booking, sending the link to download an app or to the login page of a website, or sending an email to either the caller or an internal team for processing. The get location tool, which can collect the caller's location, is useful when handling emergency scenarios or when searching for services close to the caller. The Get Photo tool, which can collect a photo taken from the caller's phone, is very handy during the claims process or when needing to provide a copy of a receipt. The Host Lookup tool, which retrieves data from a back-end system for use in the conversation. During demonstrations, this lookup is performed using tables internal to Oration, but in production, the data source would be an external system, and the lookup would be performed by RESTful API or by Lambda. the Identification and Verification (IDV) tool, which enables Oration to identify a caller, can be configured to ask knowledge questions, or optionally can leverage the built-in voice biometrics capability for added security and peace of mind. 4. Attributes. These contain variable data which Oration relies upon to conduct each conversation. The first set of attribute values are sent to Oration from a client's customer experience platform. Oration then attaches data to attributes throughout the conversation, both agentic and deterministic portions, resulting in useful data being attached to the interaction which can be used to guide or personalize the conversation, report metrics, or present the information to a contact center agent or receptionist. Administrators can configure attributes in the Settings section, and these can be inbound from an external system, internal for use by Oration only, and outbound for passing from Oration to an external system. There are also flow attributes which are configured by editing the flow, and these can be passed between the LLM conversation and the tool which is being used. Imagine your busy retail assistants being able to serve in-store customers with their full attention, processing sales, whilst phone calls are being handled by Oration. In this scenario, Oration will answer product questions and provide accurate stock levels. Not only does this free up your staff to serve in-store customers, it instills confidence with the caller that they are important because their call was answered, that the product is what they want, and that it is in store.
Welcome to Hail and Rains. I'm an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to buy some green tracksuit pants.
I can help you with that. What size track pants are you looking for?
I'm looking for medium.
We have medium green track pants in stock. Which store would you like to know the stock levels for?
I don't know which store is the closest.
Great. To get your location, I will send you a text message. When you get the message, click on the link to share your location. But don't hang up on this call. You can cancel at any time by pressing 0 on the phone or by pressing cancel on the form. Thanks, I've got your location. I see you are in Okoroy. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
The closest store to you is Hamilton at 456 Victoria Street. They are open Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. Would you like to know the stock levels there?
Yes, please.
I am sorry, I am having some trouble looking up that information right now. Is there anything else I can help you with?
If they don't have tracksuit pants, do they have suits?
Yes, we do have suits. We have them in black, dark grey, and light blue. They come in large and extra large. A suit costs $200, or if you buy two, the second one is half price. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, how many grey ones do they have in Hamilton?
Hamilton has 20 dark grey suits in large. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
Thanks for calling Hail and Rains. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
If an administrator wishes to view information about that interaction, they would navigate to the Conversations tab. There are 4 visual methods available to review the interaction. In the Details tab, we can see that using the store name and the product SKU, Oration searches the lookup table and it returns the stock levels for that product at that store. In production, Oration would perform this lookup into an external data source via RESTful API or Lambda. When customers order a product online, they expect to be able to track the delivery progress. Sometimes it may not be convenient for them to check the website, and this is where an additional method comes in handy. Oration is available 24/7, empowering customers to check or track their order and update things like the delivery address how and when they want.
Welcome to Hail and Rains. I'm an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Hi, I just need to change something about my recent order.
I can help with that. What would you like to change about your recent order?
The delivery address, please.
Okay, first I will need to identify you. Please say your customer number.
HB4567.
Thanks. I have sent you a 6-digit one-time PIN by text. It should arrive in just a moment. Please read out the one-time PIN that you have received.
732596.
Hi, Simon Lee. Your last order was number 6954 on the 25th of September, 2025. Is that the order you are calling about?
Yes, it is.
Your order is currently processing. What is the new delivery address you would like to use?
44 Smith Street in Hamilton.
Thank you. I have updated the delivery address on order number 6954. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No thanks.
Thanks for calling Hail and Rains. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
When an ordered item is damaged or missing from the delivery, customers want to pick up the phone and verbalize their concerns. Using a conversational AI solution, such as Oration, delivers a perfect blend of customer experience with operational efficiency. Your customer gets to verbalize their concerns. Your staff are not put in the firing line, and the cherry on top is that the customer's concern can be fixed in an automated way.
Welcome to Hail and Rains. I'm an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Yes, I just have a problem with my recent order.
I can help you with that. What is your order number?
I'm not sure.
Okay, first I will need to identify you. Please say your customer number.
HB4567.
Thanks. I have sent you a 6-digit one-time PIN by text. It should arrive in just a moment. Please read out the one-time PIN that you have received.
710727.
Hi, Simon Lee. Your last order number was 6954, placed on the 25th of September, 2025. Is this the order you are calling about?
Yes, that's the one.
And what is the problem with your order?
The shirt is missing 4 buttons.
I understand. The casual linen shirt in white large SKU shirt 001WL is missing 4 buttons. I can organize a replacement for you. I just need you to provide a photo of the damaged item first. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Great, I will send you a text and it will guide you through the process. When you get the message, click on the link to take the photo, but don't hang up on this call. You can cancel at any time by pressing 0 on the phone or by pressing cancel on the form. Thanks, I've got your photo. I have organized for a new item to be couriered to you. It will arrive within 24 hours. Please give the damaged item to the courier. Apologies for any inconvenience. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No thanks.
Thanks for calling Hail and Rains. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
We can see that I have been identified using my ID number, which, in this case, is a random customer number. I've been sent a 6-digit PIN and have successfully repeated that back to Oration, which uplifts me to a high-security match. Oration then, using the Get Photo tool, asks the caller to upload an image of the damaged item before organizing for a replacement to be sent. Oration has identified that the primary intent is that there is an issue with the order, and the second intent is that a replacement item is needed. In this scenario, Oration empowers customers to take control of maintaining their own loyalty information.
The caller will raise a points dispute, which is emailed by Oration to a back-end team for processing.
Welcome to Hail and Rains. I'm an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Yes, I'd just like to challenge my loyalty points balance.
Okay, first I will need to identify you. Please say your customer number.
HB4567.
Thanks. I have sent you a 6-digit, one-time PIN by text. It should arrive in just a moment. Please read out the one-time PIN that you have received.
567 442213.
I didn't get that. Please say your one-time PIN.
422130.
Hi, Simon Lee. Your points balance is 540. What is the reason for your points dispute?
One of the items I ordered was supposed to have double points.
Which item are you referring to?
It was a grey suit from my last order.
Thanks, Simon Lee. I have emailed our disputes team. They will review your request and will contact you within 24 hours to advise the outcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No thanks, that's great.
Thanks for calling Hail and Rains. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
We've reached the end of the video demonstrating how Oration can add value to fast-moving consumer goods organizations. Please reach out if you would like to schedule a demonstration customized to your specific use cases. Thanks for watching.